The next one will be to walk on the close side of the embrace and to walk slow, to walk at this early pace. We need to do it in cross system. So we can start, one way is with the back wall 8. Again, I'm doing the back wall 8, and in the second half back wall 8, I get to place myself on the right side. If that's the line of dance, if we are walking the line of dance, my partner will be inside of the dance floor. And what I am doing to exit is my last step is with my right, her right, lead her half 8 to pivot and close. And then you can exit. Parallel system. The important thing is the moment of the pause. Okay? Let's see how it works. Combine it with the other elements too.